Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be sharing some ideas that you can use to start making some extra money from blogging. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I want to share a few different ideas that you can use to start earning money from blogging. So, if you're thinking about starting a blog, but you're not sure if it's worth it, then this video will give you an idea of how much you can make from a blog. And if you already have a blog, then you might learn some new ideas to monetize your blog even further. Now, I personally don't have a blog because I don't have the discipline to sit down and write a blog article consistently. But you might actually enjoy writing blog articles, and that's cool. So I've looked into some ways that people are using to actually produce a full-time income from their blog. So if you're new to blogging, the basic concept on how to make money from your blog is to first create content about a certain topic, and then you're going to want to build an audience. I recommend an email. You're going to want to capture somebody's email anytime they come to your blog, so that way you can just email them anytime you release another blog. And then the last step is to make money from your audience. So it's a pretty simple concept. So I'm going to talk about these methods to make money from your blog in a minute, but first I just want to welcome you guys to my channel. And if this is your first time here and you're interested in learning how to make money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, let me just get into these methods. So I want to talk about the first one, which is obvious. And that's going to be through Google Adsense. This is a great way to start earning money with your blog if you're a beginner. Now, you won't make a whole lot of money with this method, but it's a great way to get started. I'm not sure exactly how much you would get paid from Google AdSense from your blog, but usually people who get about 1,000 visitors a month to their blog, they make about $50 a month. I mean, it's a little bit of something, but hey, it's one way to get started. Now, obviously, the more people who visit your blog, the more money that you're going to get paid from Google AdSense. Now, once you start to build up traction with your blog and you're getting a consistent amount of visitors, at least 25,000 a month, you should start working with an advertising network. This is a company that's going to directly manage the display ads on your blog. And you can earn a lot more money with an advertising network as opposed to just using Google AdSense. So once you start to build a blog and you're starting to get visitors on a consistent basis, and once you start hitting 25,000 people a month, then that's when you should start trying to get advertising networks on your blog. Now, the third way that you can make money with your blog is by placing affiliate links at the end of each blog article. Now, obviously, they should be related to your content. For example, if your blog is all about camera equipment and you're writing a blog article reviewing a specific camera that just came out and you're talking about the pros and cons about this camera, what you can do at the end of your blog is just have an affiliate link that's going to take people to that specific camera. So you can just let them know if they're interested in buying this camera, click this link, and that's going to take them to the sales page of that camera. Now, if somebody clicks on that link and they purchase that camera, then you would earn a commission from that. Now, the easiest affiliate program that you can get started with is Amazon Associates. They do require you to have a website, but since you already have a blog, I mean, there shouldn't be a problem. You can just sign up and then just start promoting affiliate links. Now, the fourth way that you can monetize your blog is by selling an online course. Let's say that you created a course. You can use your blog to drive traffic and then promote your online course. Let's say that you have a blog article where you're talking about how to start a t-shirt business online. And your blog article covers the steps that somebody would need to get started and create their own online t-shirt business. Now, if you created an online course that basically takes somebody who's a complete beginner to the t-shirt industry and shows them what they need to do in order to start their business and become successful, you can promote that in your blog. Maybe your online course is providing them with resources and tools that they need to become successful with a t-shirt business. So if you create a blog article talking about the basic steps that somebody needs in order to create a t-shirt business online, you can then promote your online course at the end of your blog article. Now, the fifth way that you can monetize your blog is through coaching and consulting. You can charge people for your time to get personal one-on-one coaching from you. If somebody has a problem that you can solve and they want to get personal coaching from you, you can make money just from consulting. Now, I know somebody who's a dating coach and he charges $1,000 an hour for personal coaching. And it's not like you're meeting somebody in person. You can do this all over Skype. So if you're an expert in your field and people would be willing to pay you money for personal coaching, then you can definitely make a good amount of money from this method. The only downside is that you would be trading your time for money. Well, those are the 5 methods that I wanted to share with you guys on how you can monetize your blog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you learned something new, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. And if you guys are interested in my personal recommendation when it comes to making a full-time income online, then check out the first link in the top of the description. Well, that's pretty much it. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.